going. This is a video I'm going to dedicate to friendships and more specifically motorbike buddies. So in this video again, the guy in front of me here is Alan, a guy, as we say, I didn't know from Adam just before Christmas. Yep, never seen Alan in my life, and now we ride almost every other weekend together. We go and find lanes together and tracks, and this is the one thing about motorcycles and motorcycling in general that just it's maybe not unique just to motorcycles, because I cycled before. I was doing maybe for 5 years, and as you cycle around, you put your hand up, then other cyclists are coming towards you. So it's maybe not unique to motorcyclists, but just seems to be motorcyclists really have this affinity with each other and this camaraderie between each other. Every time you see another motorcyclist, you either give them a nod, you put out your leg, or you put your hand up, all this sort of stuff. And to see him here again, like as I say, I didn't know Alan from Adam before Christmas, and now we're out riding together all the time, and really enjoying just being in each other's company, enjoying the cracker scenery like what you're seeing here right now. This is the Sperrins, we call it, here in Northern Ireland. It's an area of natural beauty. This video was also a little test on the drone and all the follow modes that it's got. So I was enjoying testing that out and how the avoidance works, etc. So as you see, I'm really going to look forward to getting it to use it and learn how to use it properly over the next few months. So anyway, sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the next one. Alright, see you then. Bye bye.